Ukrainian soldiers typically utilize Javelin or NLAW anti-tank missiles to neutralize Russian tanks. We've witnessed numerous dramatic scenes of Russian tanks having their turrets blown off, soaring high into the sky, and tanks being torn into scraps of metal. However, it quickly became evident that the Javelin missile was not the most effective method for tank destruction. There are now more efficient and cost-effective alternatives. Today, we observed that a small Kamikaze drone, armed with a grenade, poses a much greater threat to tanks and armored vehicles. Let's see real-life examples of how Ukraine is reshaping the paradigm of modern warfare. During the counter-offensive, Ukrainian forces encountered a severe shortage of Javelin anti-tank missiles. Each Javelin missile costs at least $80,000, and sometimes even as much as $100,000. Furthermore, FPV drones have a significant advantage in that they can reach a tank even in challenging conditions when it is not within your line of sight. Another notable advantage of drones is their ability to infiltrate enemy fortified bunkers through small openings. While these bunkers may withstand direct hits from tank shells, enemy soldiers would have no effective means to defend against a small kamikaze drone entering through a window. Drones can exploit these vulnerabilities and pose a significant threat to enemy forces within fortified positions. Recently, Denmark provided Ukraine with specialized drones for remote mine clearance. These drones can detect metallic objects up to 3 meters deep, along with magnetic anomalies in air, water, and soil. The Russians have also demonstrated ingenuity, realizing that it's more cost-effective to use the Kornet anti-tank missiles in defense rather than tanks. Previously, the Russians heavily relied on tanks to repel attacks from Ukrainian forces and to destroy enemy strongholds or bunkers. This led to a significant depletion of their main tank force. As tanks are easily detectable, Ukrainian armored vehicles often got caught in minefields, resulting in damage or destruction. Soon, drones equipped for mine clearance will replace these heavy and costly machines. Ukrainians have even repurposed regular drones as bombers for demining purposes. By dropping a grenade from a drone onto the mines, the explosion triggers the detonation of all mines on the road, allowing tanks or other armored vehicles to pass through unimpeded. This method is highly cost-effective, with the destruction of a tank costing a maximum of $1,000. In conclusion, the emergence of lightweight FPV drones has rendered Javelin anti-tank missiles somewhat obsolete. Drones, equipped with specialized technology, enable tank detection and engagement from concealed positions. This shift in tactics is already transforming the landscape of modern warfare. The ongoing development of such technologies, particularly in the USA, promises to further revolutionize the future of warfare.